we'll guide you through how to conduct Claude research effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Claude Research homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to sign in with your research account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, look for the Sign Up button to create one. After logging in, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed on the homepage. This is where you begin your research journey. Enter the keywords or topics you're interested in exploring. Claude Research will provide you with a list of relevant articles, papers, and resources. Take your time to browse through the results and click on any title that catches your interest to read more in depth. If you're looking for more specific results, utilize the advanced search filters. You can adjust parameters such as publication date, authors, and specific journals to narrow down your search results. This is particularly useful if you're conducting academic or industry-specific research. Once you've gathered enough resources, you can use the Save feature to bookmark important articles for later reference. This way, you won't lose track of critical information. In addition, if you need to collaborate with others, Claude Research allows you to share articles directly via email or social media. Just look for the share icon on the article page. Lastly, if you come across any questions or need further assistance, check out the help section or the FAQ page for guidance. It's a fantastic way to ensure you're making the most out of the platform. Remember, effective research is all about using the right tools and resources. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.